Here are 7 powerful ways to make any woman truly miss you. If you want her to long for your presence, you must give her something rare, something she can't easily find in another man. This works whether you're already in a relationship or just casually talking to a woman. Let's break it down. 1. Don't reach out first. The fastest way to make a woman miss you is to stop chasing her. If you're always the one calling, texting, or checking in, she has no room to miss you. But once you pull back and create distance, you instantly take up space in her mind. She'll start wondering what you're doing, who you're with, and why she hasn't heard from you. Her imagination will run wild, and jealousy will creep in. By not contacting her, you prove that you're independent and don't rely on her for your happiness. What makes this so powerful is that it feels like rejection, something that triggers her brain's desire, craving, and reward systems. Ironically, rejection makes her want you more. 2. Show that you're still living life. The first place she'll check when she misses you is your social media. If your profile looks empty and lifeless, she'll assume you're not doing much. Instead, share snapshots of your wins, your adventures, and even small moments that show you're enjoying life. This doesn't mean bragging, just posting a cool picture, a fun outing, or a personal accomplishment will do. This makes her realize she's missing out on being part of your journey, and women love feeling connected to a man's world. 3. Don't fall for her attention traps. When she notices you've gone quiet, she'll try to bait you back in, usually through social media. She might post a flirty selfie, a vague quote, or a status meant for you. Don't give her the validation she's seeking. Don't like the photo, don't comment, and don't bite. She'll notice your silence more than anything, and the lack of response will drive her crazy. She'll sit there wondering why you, out of everyone, didn't react, and that thought alone keeps you in her head. 4. Stay calm when she reaches out. Eventually, she'll message or call you. But here's where most men mess up. They act overly excited. If you come across as too eager, she'll instantly feel you've been waiting on her. Instead, stay cool. Keep your replies short, polite, but vague. For example, "Hey, how's it going?" That's enough to acknowledge her without giving away too much. This makes her feel that you're not desperate and that you have a full life beyond her. 5. Spark a little jealousy. Jealousy is one of the strongest ways to make a woman miss you. You don't need to flaunt a new relationship, just subtle hints work. Maybe post a picture with a group of friends where another woman is present, or tag a female friend in a post. Trust me, she'll notice instantly and investigate. Even something as harmless as posting about a celebrity crush can trigger those emotions. The point is to remind her that you have options and that she isn't your only source of attention. 6. Give her a special nickname. Creating a unique nickname for her is one of the simplest yet most powerful tricks. Every time she hears that word, she'll think of you. Don't pick something so rare she'll never hear it again. Instead, choose a name tied to her favorite food, show, or inside joke. This taps into associative memory, meaning she'll link random everyday things back to you, keeping you alive in her thoughts even when you're not around. 7. Teach her something she didn't know. Women naturally admire men who can teach them something new. It could be a skill, a mindset, or even a fun fact, but the key is that you're giving her knowledge she didn't have before. This makes her see you as capable, confident, and valuable. Leaders are teachers, and women are instinctively drawn to men who can guide them. She'll forever connect that lesson with you, making it impossible for her not to miss your presence. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, making a woman miss you isn't about playing games, it's about understanding her psychology. Women are emotional, and by creating space, sparking curiosity, and leaving behind unique imprints of yourself, you make sure she can't get you out of her head. Follow these 7 steps, and she'll crave your presence more than ever.